Hi, this is my screencast for Ohm's Law. I am on the PhET website using their simulation for Ohm's Law. As you can see, the equation for Ohm's Law is V equals I times R, where V is voltage measured in volts, I is current measured in amps, and R is resistance measured in ohms. This equation is also represented as as I equals V over R. When we play with the voltage over here, you can see that when we increase the voltage, the current increases as well, and when we decrease the voltage, so does the current. On the other hand, if you increase the resistance, the current decreases, and if you decrease the resistance, the current increases, which means that resistance and current are inversely related, whereas voltage and current are directly related. This is because when you increase the voltage, you increase the amount of charge moving through the wires, and current is measured in amps, which is coulombs per second. Um, that just means current measures the amount of charge moving through the wires per second. And then resistance, when you increase the resistance, current gets smaller because a greater resistance means that it's harder for the charge to move through the wires. That's why it gets smaller when resistance gets bigger, and why it gets bigger when resistance gets smaller. And that is Ohm's law.